Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get Robux on your Roblox account using the Please Donate game server on your Roblox. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So there are three ways on how you can get Robux on the server or on this game mode. So the first thing to do is to actually have your boot presentable. So like this one, like this Roblox here or Roblox boot. So make sure you design your uh, boot much more perfectly so you can attract more donations or donators. So there, but if you can't afford a couple of these boots, you can have this boot for free. This boot that I'm standing right in front of. So to be able to get that, all you have to do is redeem and go ahead and type in laser beam. So make sure they are small caps and redeem. And as you can see, we've redeemed the laser boot. And all you have to do is go ahead and go over to your boot and redeem that boot. So once that's done, the second method is to actually go ahead and implement style of boot donation. So as you can see, the lowest Robux that he has is 2. So I suggest you go ahead and keep them the minimum to 2 or 3. Make sure they are 3, the minimum Robux that you are allowed to donate, so on and so forth until it reaches the maximum amount. And that way, donators will have the option to donate even if they have a minimum amount. So okay guys, that is the second method. So the third method guys is to actually make friends with other players and also make friends with other players outside of the Roblox app or Roblox of your Roblox account and join Discord servers that has rich players there and they can donate to you. So you can contact them if you are joined on their server and there. So don't worry guys, I will input a server links on the description so you guys have the option to join. So okay guys, those are the ways on how you can uh, have the high chance on how you can get the Robux on your Roblox account. Thank you for watching and goodbye.